Hello everyone! Today we're gonna talk a little bit about Bitbucket, but especially we are gonna learn how to create a file on Bitbucket. Okay, to do this, we just have to follow these quick steps. And the first one is that we have to create a Bitbucket account and then we are gonna log in. Okay, to follow this step, we just have to click in any source like Google Chrome or Explorer. In this case, I prefer use Google Chrome because I'm already get my link to Bitbucket. If you don't, you just get you just can type in the source like bitbucket.com and you will see the page exactly like you're already seeing. Then we are gonna click login and you have to fill all your information. So in this case, I'm already got my account, so you just have to click on it. Okay, the next step is that we have to open a Bitbucket source, and the Bitbucket source is this button right here on the left. We just have to click in there just to make sure that we are into our Bitbucket source. Okay, the next step is that we have to click the button in the right top and then we are gonna click on add file. So that button is this one right here. We have to click on it and then we are gonna click on add file. So this part in the top is asking about the file name. I will just type like an example and then to can commit a file Bitbucket, we just have to type something in the bar. So I'm gonna type like hello, and now we can commit our file, so we have to click on commit and then we have to click and commit again. So we can see that we are already saved our changes. So we're gonna click on source just to make sure that we get already saved our file like example like is exactly right here. Okay, the next thing that we are gonna learn today is how to clone and edit a Bitbucket file on Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's follow these steps. The first one is that we have to open a Visual Studio Code. If you don't have a Visual Studio Code download into your computer, so please stop this video and go and download Visual Studio Code and then come back and give a play to this video. Like I'm already got my Visual Studio Code in my computer, so I'm just gonna open the program and follow the next step. So the next step is that we have to click on show all commands. That is this button right here. Another way to go to commands is that we have to press Ctrl Shift P. So we can use both, just click on this or type Ctrl Shift P. So then we have to write a git clone on this part right here. So I'm gonna type git, that is already right here. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, the next step that we have to follow is we have to go to our Bitbucket account and then we are gonna click on the clone button in the top and then we are gonna copy the link. So let's do it. We are gonna press this button right here that is clone and then we have to copy this link. To copy this link you just have to press Ctrl C or you just can press this button right here that is copy already. So we are gonna go to Visual Studio Code and we are gonna paste the link. Then we're gonna press enter. So now we have to save the file. So let's save this file into our computer. Just let's use a place that it will be easy to you to find them later. So I prefer to save it in this file. I will select that repository location. So this is saving our files. Then we have to open the file. So to open the file we just have to click in here, this button right here that is open. So we have to click in there, and then we can start editing. So I can see the file that we create on Bitbucket right here, that is example. So I can start editing my file. So I will type something like hello everyone, and then we have to save the changes. So we just can press Control S, or we can go to File and save the change. And then we are gonna see this little arrow right here. We are gonna click in there, and then we have to click in the arrow in the top left column. That arrow is this one right here. Okay, we're gonna press this one, and then we have to write enter in the bar to save the change. Okay, I have to type enter right here, and then just press the keyboard and the keyboard enter again. And so we already commit all our changes. So we can see in this part in the bottom right here that we already got a new change. So we are gonna click in there, and then we are gonna press OK just to send all the new information to our Bitbucket account. So we are gonna go our Bitbucket account just to see the new changes that we already did. So to do this, we just have to refresh our Bitbucket page. So then we are gonna click on that sample, and here is. Now we can see the changes that we already did on Visual Studio Code. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video.